How to quickly remove all dark spots on your skin by potato. Your skin looks appealing and full of beauty if it is spotless and full of glow. But, the skin of all of you is not naturally healthy and glowing. There are many factors that play a role in damaging the beauty of your skin. The first thing that is the most important is your diet. If you take good and healthy diet, it also exerts good effects on your skin. A diet rich in nutrients makes your skin healthy and glowing. Also, it keeps your skin protected. The second thing is your beauty regime. If you take good care of your skin, it will remain protected. What to use if you get dark spots or pigmented skin? For you, here, I have a solution. In the video below, I am going to share with you the use of potato for dark spots and hyperpigmentation removal within 3 days only. Remedy 1: Potato for skin whitening. Ingredients: potato slice. Procedure: take a potato slice sadilla and you will get the best remedy to use potato for dark spots and hyperpigmentation removal ready for use. How to use: take this slice and rub it to your skin for 5 minutes. After this, wash your skin with cold water. Also, use cold potato juice as your facial rinse daily. Remedy 2: Potato for dry, dark skin. Ingredients: potato pulp, 1 tsp. Curd, 1 tsp. Procedure: mix the ingredients and make a mixture. How to use: apply the pack for dry skin, and let it dry. Wash it off after this. Benefits you will get: there is vitamin C in potato, and therefore, the use of this vegetable on your skin helps to maintain the good health of your skin. The use of potato juice helps to clear skin directly by removing all dead cells and toxins. Potato also gives anti-aging benefits, and it helps to remove all wrinkles, fine lines and age signs. Thus, it makes your skin healthy. The use of potato also softens your skin. For the treatment of dull and rough skin, the potato is one of the best home remedies. Potato removes dark spots and blemishes quickly without damaging your skin. The potato slice acts as a facial cleanser and removes the darkness of your skin. These simple remedies to use potato for dark spots and hyperpigmentation removal are very effective. Use the remedies and get beauty benefits of potato.